Pretty girls listen to Don Toliver and go run errands and make their groceries. It's currently raining. It's like about to be a thunderstorm or a tropical storm. Not sure. We're gonna go to Walmart. Let's get into it. This is episode 2.
You couldn't get any better, baby. Your lips taste like candy, can you tell? You're my favorite. You're so ambitious. When I'm going, you're waiting. Please don't make me think of it like a game, a different girl. You talk to me dirty, I'm talking back like a reflex.
Take an 8 for levitate. A little brown skin, hurricane. Hey, baby, bring the wave. TBA for the time and the space, lock the day. Oh, you like the coordinate. Know it's good to see the hood in your face. Oh, you like to ride the wood. Wanna see you do it like we in age. Body good, body great. Below the waist, real estate. Oh, you like to ride the wood. Wanna see you do it like we in age.
Please don't make me think of it like you can't make a defense. You talk to me dirty, I'm talking about like a defense. I know you love to play games, but it ain't no sense. Around my tongue, they know my name. I put it on easy.
That is my song. I absolutely freaking love, like, when, and it's not new, obviously, for those who know, y'all know, I get on to music like very late, so I didn't even know how much I love Don Toliver until, honestly, just recently.
She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole. Get my own plug, I get it in and go. Shot it on me, something better pay your toll. I lit the spoon, I scrape the balls. Scrape the balls, scrape the balls. Like bitch, you get the lima, she eat it running. I'm popping and mosquitoes, and I just out your rhythm. We'll smoke you like it's lit up. Do this crazy mental. Hood hero, got Johnny don't wanna hit that pole. She don't wanna strip no more, don't wanna hit that pole.
I honestly had no business pulling into Walmart this ignorant, but I did, and I'm gonna try to beat the weather. So yeah, let's go into Walmart, let's get these essentials and come back.
Attention customers, exciting changes are coming to your
But I'm ready to continue with Don Toliver on the way home, and I'm about to blast a song that honestly I play really early in the mornings, surprisingly, but it wakes me up, and it's one of my favorite songs. So
I'm tryna fuck, you know. Like I'm spy, baby, they be doing silent. But I'm down with your friends and the foes that you came with. Okay, I'm outside, got my baby in a blanket. Okay, I'm outside, you can't meet me at the banquet. Just ran up on your wallet, dog, I'm 10, that's the basis. You wanna tell a lie, can't tell the truth, cause you can't face it. I wanna take it out, little baby, let me taste it. I wanna take it out, little baby, let me side by side, going up with your best friend. Ducking up, we be at the West End. I was at the altar for my dog, I'm my best man. Me and Shotty crushing in the back on a webcam. I got my juice, I got my money. Better you get loose, I had some fun in. Yeah, I ain't stupid, I got my gun in. Better you get loose, I had some fun in. I run the bands up, I make it bust. I wanna dance, baby, I ain't in no rush. Which I'm tryna fuck. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna fuck. You know, like I'm a spy, baby, they be doing silent. Which I'm down with your friends and the foes that you came with. Okay, I'm outside, got my baby in a blanket. Okay, I'm outside, you can't meet me at your banquet. Just ran up on your wallet, dog, I'm telling you that's the basis. You wanna tell a lie, can't tell the truth, cause you can't face it. I wanna take it out, little baby, let me taste it. I wanna take it out, little baby. Side by side, going up with your best friend. We be ducking up, we be at the West End. I was at the altar for my dog, I'm my best man. Me and Shotty crushing in the back on a webcam. I got my juice, I got my gun in. Better you get loose, I had some fun in. Yeah, I ain't stupid, I got my gun in. Better you get loose, I had some fun in. I keep my candy. She super so good with a beach of sandy. I got it in loco, but it call me Randy. Diamonds in my shell, AP canary yellow. She deserve a patty, cause she one of the members. For sure. When it comes to Sadaba, money not a problem. Turned me to a killer, I just smashed the model. Yeah.
Tiffany come blue, her pussy good and pink. Pink Chicago in the wintertime, I'm ordering minks. Selling out arenas, I just murk the streets. Copping a brand new castle in the Middle East. My bitch an idiot style when we sit down and eat. I can do this shit one take, but my style ain't free. I'll take hoes on no dates, they got pretty feet. I swear, $250,000 on her head, $250,000 on her head. She mopped it out in her bed, so I can't feel my leg. So I just sniped off your hoe for a crumb of bread. Hoe got rats going out the roof, they bustin' through the ceiling. My new bitch shit, the truth showed me a couple million.
I guess I'm spending, double cup I'm leaning.
Southwest addicted.
Yes, I'm spending, double cup I'm leaning. Need you to lean in. She wanna come this way, heat it up, microwave. Heat it up, microwave. She wanna ride my way, she wanna come this way. She wanna go inside your feelings tonight. Go inside your feelings tonight. I guess I'm too demanding. I guess I'll keep my candy. Trying to tell you, but you know the thing is crazy. Just touched down in Miami. I guess I'll keep my candy. I guess I'm too demanding. She wanna ride my way. She wanna ride my train. Heat it up, microwave. Come on, share my plate. She wanna ride my way. She wanna ride my chain. Heat it up, microwave. Come on, share my plate. I'm feeling stuck.
I hope you enjoyed the ride. Pretty girls make groceries and listen to Don Toliver.